Greetings and blessings, Vibrillionaire Soul family. Loving, living the Vibrillionaire Soul lifestyle. Today is a beautiful Sunday, May 2nd, 2021. And this is your daily reminder to ground for life. Remember to ground for life. Are you charging yourself? Are you remembering your roots? Are you connecting with life? To the connection that always exists? And are you hydrating daily? Remember the importance of hydration. This is your daily genuine message for today. How is your relationship with you? How is your relationship within you? And why? Let's start a conversation. And if you'd like to private message me, that's awesome as well. Because your relationship is the most important relationship of all existence. Because your relationship determines how you see life, how you perceive life, how you internalize life, how you live life. And doing the work that we've been doing personally for over 20 years, I've realized the importance of cultivating this very fragile but profound relationship with oneself. And this is an investment that we get to do daily. And the big surprise is that we're always investing in that relationship, even when we're not wanting to invest in that relationship. Because we're creating those habits that our relationship with ourselves is not important, and we're trying to fill a void, attempting to fill a void, that the more people I help, the more that I do, the more that I get, the more that I accomplish, the more that I don't do, the more that I'm going to be happy, the more that I'm going to feel satisfied, the more that I'm going to temporarily fill that illusory void, when the whole time all that was waiting is to cultivate that relationship, to get to know that best friend, that greatest romance, that greatest euphoric presence that is the ultimate high. It's the ultimate stimuli. It's the ultimate injection of life. It's the ultimate cure for all illusions. Because when you can see more genuineness from you, you will see more genuineness all around you. As life is a beautiful mirror of that. So that's your message for today, your genuine message for today. I appreciate all of your patience, because I know I haven't been on, but yesterday I started on the 1st. And you know what? That's the way life goes. Don't cry over spilled milk, but gain the lessons from the milk that you've spilled. And awaken the wisdom. Reawaken the wisdom and the intelligence. It's always just waiting for you. It's abundantly there. So cultivate this beautiful relationship of you. Because you're always investing in the relationship of you. And how you see others, how you experience others, how you perceive others and life is determined by the relationship that you experience with yourself. Because you are seeing, you are hearing, you are tangibly perceiving all of life through the filters of the relationship of you. And if you'd like to know more, if you'd like to start a conscious conversation, because you never know what you're sharing could be what somebody else needs. So, do something for yourself today. One is ground for life. The other, hydrate. And consciously hydrate. I'm actually going to drink a drink here with you guys. With you beautiful souls. Beautiful mirrors. And sometimes I got to remind myself to hydrate. And my body tells me when I need to hydrate. Because I've reawakened that sensitivity. That we think soda or juice or coffee or I mean, so many people buying their coffees in the morning. I'm going to do another video and I'm going to share with you the greatest coffee that I've discovered, the greatest Red Bull that I've discovered. So cheers to all of you, toasting from within life, for life, of life. Every time. I love it every time. So enjoy your day and do something that you're doing for yourself today. You'll love yourself for it because you already love you. Blessings.